really getting to know what the structure of space is and how it works and how it operates, a deeper understanding of how this fundamental field dynamic actually generates the forces and the matter that we see all around us. There is this kind of underlying field ground state through which all the different elements in general arose. The universal crossing point between all of these different studies of reality. What the geometry of the structural lattice that's forming space-time could look like. Anytime you have triangular structures, especially equilateral triangles, you can have a huge amount of energy or pressure on any one of the points of the triangle. The triangle will retain its structure and its shape. You spread a triangular lattice across any surface plane, you get perfect hexagonal geometries, honeycombs, if you will. Hexagonal geometries form this flat space where all the tension is equal in every direction within that surface. Apply it three-dimensionally, you end up with this tetrahedral lattice. The structures are tetrahedral to each other. All the pressure, all the energy is equalized in every direction. So imagine now that you have this tetrahedral lattice of nodes, and each one is vibrating and radiating out. So it's pushing against all the other nodes in the lattice. But at the same time, there is a charge attraction. Attractive charges also pulling equally all of those different essences together. Push and pull that's equalized in the structure of the fabric, which makes it, frankly, highly crystalline and highly solid. It's the same exact balance of push and pull between different molecules in a crystal that give a crystal its clarity and shape, also have their electromagnetic properties. Piezoelectricity, for example, is a quality of many crystals where when you simply press tension on the structure of the crystal releases electricity. And in some cases, people put pressure on crystals and light or photons are emitted. The technology of this sort of squeezing crystals in little ways to produce charge and light is the foundation for things like liquid crystal displays, LCDs. The act of squeezing a crystal to produce a frequency or charge we see in technologies everywhere. Now let's look at space-time as this crystal that when squeezed just the right way propagates charge. In other words, the whole thing is in this state of tensegrity and balance with itself, and this crystalline structure